Faceless marketing is taking over social media, especially Instagram. And yes, it's definitely a marketing trend right now, but it's not something new. It's actually a marketing strategy that people used way back, but it's so popular right now for several reasons. Well, according to Stakla, 86% of consumers value authenticity in advertising, and faceless content is often perceived as more genuine because it emphasizes the message rather than the messenger. And this statement was published by Forbes just this year. And this only shows that it is indeed a game changer for businesses. Faceless marketing is about creating connections based on what you offer rather than who you are. The approach focuses on promoting products or services without featuring the face or identity of the individual behind the brand. Instead, the emphasis is placed on the value of the product or service itself, allowing consumers to connect with the offering rather than a specific person. By removing the focus from a single personality and shifting it to the quality and benefits of the offering, faceless marketing is changing how businesses engage with their audience online. It offers a lot of benefits, and one of which is that you can keep your personal life private. As a brand owner, being anonymous allows them to maintain privacy while still promoting their products or services effectively. Also, it's a genuine and down-to-earth way to share what you have to offer with the world. It's about authenticity, simplicity, and letting your creations or your products do the talking without feeling pressured to reveal more than you're comfortable with. Another benefit it offers is that you can connect with everyone. Instead of focusing on a personality or image, faceless marketing speaks to everyone. It's like having a conversation with a group of friends where everyone feels included and valued, no matter their background or preferences. It also works for different niches, and we can see that in social media, especially in Instagram. So whether you're a small business owner, an entrepreneur, or a content creator, consider incorporating faceless marketing into your strategy to take your online presence to new heights. To be successful in faceless marketing, it's important that you create effective content, and you can do that by following these tips. Number 1, you have to create compelling content. Creating engaging content without showing your face requires creativity and strategic planning. Focus on your products or services. Showcase your products or services in action, or highlight their features, their benefits, and unique selling points through high-quality images, videos, or graphics. Second, ensure that the visuals you use are clear and visually appealing. You have to invest in high-quality photography or videography equipment to capture attention-grabbing visuals. But if you cannot do that now, or if this is too expensive for you, then you can actually use stock videos, and there's so many available online, so you will not have a hard time looking for good ones. There are actually free videos, stock videos, and there are also paid videos that you can use. Next would be to incorporate visual storytelling. You have to use visuals to tell a story and evoke emotion in your audience. So whether through images, videos, or graphics, you have to leverage visual storytelling techniques to create a connection with your audience and communicate your brand's message effectively. 4 is to define your brand identity. You can define your brand identity without relying on your face. Your brand voice is how you communicate with your audience. It should be consistent across all your content, and it should reflect the personality of your brand. So whether you're witty, you're empathetic, or maybe you're informative, you need to find a tone that your audience can relate to. 5 is that you have to build consistency. Consistency is essential in building brand identity. You have to ensure that your messaging, your visuals, and your overall brand experience are consistent across all touch points. So from your website and social media, and even to your marketing materials. So what are the type of faceless contents that we can do? First on my list is inspirational content. Share inspirational quotes, stories, or images that your audience can relate with. This type of content can help motivate and inspire your audience while promoting your brand. Next are behind the scenes content. Offer a glimpse behind the scenes of your business operations, such as product development. So maybe you can show a glimpse of how you create your products or what your day looks like without showing your face. Even simple things such as like drinking your favorite coffee or walking with your kids at the park, you can use them as background videos for your faceless post. This type of content humanizes your brand and builds transparency. Another idea is product demonstration. You can showcase your products in action through videos or images. You can highlight their features, the benefits, and how they solve your audience problems. For instance, if your audience are busy moms, then maybe you can show how you can provide solutions to what challenges or problems they have in managing their time more efficiently. So, if you're someone who is not comfortable in showing your face in social media, but you still want to market your business, then you really have to give this a try. So, if you want to know more about faceless marketing, check out the description and you can find amazing resources that you can use to start using faceless marketing for your business.